Hello, friends. This is Anjali Bundela, and I am here to tell you about IoT in farming or agriculture, what impact it has done on today's farming, and how it is going to be more beneficial in future. But first, let's take a brief look on what IoT is. The IoT describes the network of physical objects that are embedded with sensor, software, or other technologies for the purpose of connecting and exchanging data with other devices and systems over the internet. IoT is a system of interrelated computing devices, mechanical and digital machines, objects, animals, or people that are provided with unique identifiers and the ability to transfer data over a network without requiring human to human or human to computer interactions. Increasingly, organizations in a variety of industries are using IoT to operate more efficiently, better understand customers to deliver enhanced customer service, improve decision making, and increase the value of the business. IoT can also make use of artificial intelligence and machine learning to aid in making data collecting processes easier and more dynamic. Now let's discuss what are the pros and cons of IoT. Some of the pros of IoT are ability to access information from anywhere, anytime, on any device, improved communication between connected electronic devices, transferring data packets over a connected network, saving time and money, automating tasks, helping to improve the quality of a business services and reducing the need for human intervention. Now, some of the cons of IoT are as the number of connected devices increases and more information is shared between devices, the potential that a hacker could steal confidential information also increases. Enterprises may eventually have to deal with massive number, maybe even millions of IoT devices, and collecting and managing the data from all those devices will be challenging. If there's a bug in the system, it's likely that every connected device will become corrupted. Since there's no international standards for compatibility of IoT, it's difficult for devices from different manufacturers to communicate with each other. Now let's move towards our topic IoT in farming and agriculture. With the exponential growth of world's population, according to the UN Food and Agriculture Organization, the world will need to produce 70% more food in 2050. Shrinking agricultural lands and depletion of finite natural resources, the need to enhance farm yield has become critical. Limited availability of natural resources such as fresh water and arable land, along with slowing yield trends in several staple crops, have further aggravated the problem. Another impending concern over the farming industry is the shifting structure of agriculture workforce. Moreover, agricultural labor in most of the countries has declined. As a result of the declining agricultural workforce, adoption of internet connectivity solutions in farming practices has been triggered to reduce the need for manual labor. IoT solutions are focused on helping farmers close the supply demand gap by ensuring high yields, profitability, and protection of the environment. The approach of using IoT technology to ensure optimum applications of resources to achieve high crop yields and reduce operational cost is called precision agriculture. IoT in agriculture technologies comprise specialized equipment, wireless connectivity, software, and IT services. BI Intelligence Survey expects that the adoption of IoT devices in the agriculture industry will reach 75 million in 2021, growing 20% annually. At the same time, the global smart agriculture market size has expected to triple by 2025, reaching $15.3 billion. Smart farming based on IoT technologies enables farmers to reduce waste and enhance productivity, ranging from the quantity of fertilizer utilized to the number of journeys the farm vehicles have made and enabling the efficient utilization of resources such as water, electricity, etc. IoT Smart Farming Solution is a system that is built for monitoring the crop field with the help of sensors like light, humidity, temperature, soil moisture, crop health, etc., and automating the irrigation system. The farmers can monitor the field conditions from anywhere. They can also select between manual and automated options for taking necessary actions based on this data. For example, if the soil moisture level decreases, the farmer can deploy sensors to start the irrigation. Smart farming is highly efficient when compared with the conventional approach. IoT have the potential to transform agriculture in many aspects, such as data collected by smart agriculture sensor. In this approach of farm management, a key component are sensors, control systems, robotics, autonomous vehicles, automated hardware, variable rate technology, motion detectors, button camera, and wearable devices. This data can be used to track the state of the business in general as well as staff performance, equipment efficiency. The ability to foresee the output of production allows to plan for better distribution. Agricultural drones, ground based and aerial based drones are being used in agriculture in order to enhance various agricultural practices, crop health assessment, irrigation, crop monitoring, crop spraying, planting, and soil and field analysis. Livestock tracking and geofencing. Farms owners can utilize wireless IoT applications to collect data regarding the location, well being, and health of the cattle. This information helps to prevent the spread of diseases and also lowers labor cost. Smart greenhouses. A smart greenhouse designed with the help of IoT intelligently monitors as well as controls the climate, eliminating the need for manual intervention. Predictive analytics for smart farming. Crop prediction plays a key role. It helps the farmer to decide future plan regarding the production of the crop, its storage, marketing techniques, and risk management. To predict production rate of the crop, artificial network use information collected by the sensors from the farm. This information includes parameters such as soil, temperature, pressure, rainfall, and humidity. The farmers can get an accurate soil data either by the dashboard or a customized mobile application. Farmers have started to realize that the IoT is a driving force for increasing agricultural production in a cost effective way. Because the market is still developing, there is still ample opportunity for businesses willing to join in. With the introduction of industrial IoT in agriculture, far more advanced sensors are being utilized. The sensors are now connected to the cloud via cellular or satellite network, which lets us know the real time data from the sensors, making decision making effective. The applications of IoT in the agriculture industry has helped the farmers to monitor the water tank levels in real time, which makes the irrigation process more efficient. The advancement of IoT technology in agriculture operations has brought the use of sensors in every step of the farming process, like how much time and resources a seed takes to become a fully grown vegetable. Now, Let's discuss some of the advantages and disadvantages of IoT in agricultural sector. So first, we are going to discuss what are the advantages of IoT in agricultural sector. It allows farmers to maximize yields using minimum resources such as water, fertilizers, seeds, etc. Solar powered and mobile operated pumps save cost of electricity. Smart agriculture use drones and robots which helps in many ways. This improves data collection processes and helps in wireless monitoring and control. It is cost effective method. It delivers high quality crop production. Some of the disadvantages of IoT in agricultural sector are the smart agriculture needs availability of internet continuously. Rural part of most of the developing countries do not fulfill this requirement. Moreover, internet connection is slower. The smart farming based equipments require farmers to understand and learn the use of technology. This is a major challenge in adopting smart agriculture farming at large scale across the countries. So, this was all about IoT in agricultural sector. If you like this video and found it useful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.